So this is how we make a pancake. This is a old-fashioned way. And my mama taught me how to do this. And this is my first time to do it on my own without mama beside me. But I called her and asked her about this. I think yes, this is the right this is the right thing to do. So this is milk, condensed milk, evaporated milk, and egg. This one. And mix. And here I will mix flour. I will put flour here. So this is first class and third class flour. I mix. Ayan. First, and then mix. Ayan. Ayan. Payagdarong dong. Okay. Woohoo! So it looks like this now. I put water and that's just it. Mix mo lang hanggang sa mawala na yung mga ganyan oh. At maging plain na siya. Pwede na siyang lutuin pa isa-isa. Pag ganun. Ganyan lang kasimple. Tapos i-taste mo din kung tama na ba yung lasa. Yan, mawala dapat yung mga ganyan. Dapat maging mix mo muna para mawala na sila lahat. Pag hindi pa rin nawala, pisain mo. So, yan. Pisain ko muna ito para mawala na sila. At pwede na nating lutuin. And now we will start na natin siyang lutuin. Yan. Mag-init na tayo ng pan. Heat the pan and let's try. And it tastes good. Tinry ko siya. Ayan. Luto. Sarap. Char, I love my own.